So the only trading strategy you will ever need for forex, I'll show you. Okay, so first of all, you have to go to 15 minutes time frame. You can see here it is 15 minutes time frame. Also, hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. Anyways, the trading strategy which I will show you is based on EMA strategy. Okay, so first of all, you will have to come to 1 hour time frame and check the market trend. Okay, the market is bearish. Good. After that, you will have to come to 15-minute time frame and you will have to add a EMA called 200 EMA. So how you are going to do that? You have to go to here and then search for moving average exponential. You see here, this is the one, moving average exponential. After adding that, you will have to go here on the settings of moving average exponential and select the length to 200. After you have added the 200, press OK. This line will show up. So whenever there are more strategies, I will give you later on, but I will show you. So whenever the price breaks above 200 moving average, you will have to go long. Simple. This was an SL which I had taken. So I will tell you the stop loss and target. So stop loss will be anywhere around the end of the candle. For example, over here I will cut this trade. I will show you. I have taken another trade over here also. This will be your stop loss. You can keep a stop loss little below for some buffer, and you can see this was an SL. It's okay. Immediately after that, I had taken a short position for this EMA strategy itself. So my stop loss was here for some buffer, and you can see I have booked somewhere around here because I was trailing my stop loss till here. How this strategy works basically is also how I managed to capture this, because this broke above 200 EMA. I got an SL. I entered immediately and to hold this strategy for this long, because first of all, this closed over 200 EMA. This was a strategy as per my, this was an entry as per my strategy. But then you can see this was a trap. Okay, so everyone got stopped out, and whenever this candle closed below this 200 EMA, I entered again. You can see the results. I will show you again. Here it was the same again. Okay, it was a trap. So this strategy, you can always have a minimum of 1:3, 1:4 risk to reward. So you can see here, it closed above, it trapped, and it came down. If you had entered here, we can say you have taken an SL. Okay, over here, no problem. One SL gone. Again, you have taken another trade here. Immediately your SL gone. After that, you can see this again crossed back in and it closed below the 200 moving average. So you have taken your short entry here, SL over here, and then you can minimum 1:4. You can, after this strategy, you can go, so after this strategy, you also can add a moving average for 20 EMA, and you can trail your stop loss along with the 20 EMA. So you can hold this trade for as long as you want, until it crosses back the 20 moving average over here. So for example, you had taken two SLs, first over here, SL done, second over here, then you entered over here. Okay, stop loss over here, your target, it was check 1:9, your strategy. So if you have, maybe you have booked over here, or like you are trailing your SL and your SL was gone over here. Okay, what was it? 1:7.8. Imagine if you lose 7 trades after this, then only you will come to break even. 7 trades. Today I had taken one SL over here, over here, the SL was gone, and immediately I entered another position over here, which I have made somewhere over here, 1:5.5. So after that, if I lose 5 more trades, only then I will come in break even. I will show you more examples. If you think, I will show you more examples. So over here, there is a break, long position, SL below here. See, this gave 1:6. For example, you were not able to book it, you were trailing here, so your SL was here. Still it gave 1:2. Still it gave back the SL over here. It gave back the SL over here and over here. Then you made it, look how much you made if you have trailed. See, I'll give you more examples. This is one big candle. So if you want, I will not go ahead and no this is a big candle, small candle, I will not say that. So maybe you have made your SL here. How much is the points? 184, and then your target still 1:2. Look how much point you will get. 412 points. Catching 412 points in Euro USD, it's not a joke. Okay, you are trailing your SL with 20 EMA, so you have catch 1:0.4. So this is not a successful trade, I'll tell you, because the candle was too long. When you will stay in the market, you will realize. So here you can see you are giving small SLs. This is, I will not go ahead and say you were this was not a trade and this and that, but see, this is one SL, please do not enter in candles like this. Please, these candles, if you are in the market for minimum of 1 to 3 months, you will know that this type of breakout candles never sustain. Okay, so this was another SL. There will be SLs. Okay, that how do I say, the risk to reward for this strategy is not risk to reward, how do I say, the accuracy of this strategy is not 70-80%. It is low, it is very low, but the risk to reward is very high. The risk to reward is very, very high. You can see, before you entered in this candle, there was a breakout over here, proper candle. So if you had entered over here, this one short SL over here, look at the risk to reward. Look at the risk to reward, 1:7. If you have the guts, or if you think like, so there are some levels you can make and try to, how do I say, try to keep your take profit over here, but it's still 1:6. Even if you trail and get back here, it is 1:3. What is the problem? You see that? Again, I will show you. These are all SLs. I will admit this one. Let's say this one also break over the 200 EMA. So you got an SL over here. You got an SL over here. Okay, you got an SL over here. Also, you got an SL over here. Maybe let's suggest that you also entered here. This was also an SL. Then you wait. You see this entry. You got 1:6. So how much is that 1:6? This is not a loss. This is a break-even trade, because you entered here. You were trailing at 220 EMA. You were break-even. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4 SLs gone. How much did you made in this trade? much did you made in this trade? 1 is to how much? I will not say, oh, you can trade till here. You will exit here, right? You can see a big bullish candle over here, so you will exit here. This is still 1 is to 6, 1 is to 5. You are still winning one lot. And these are how much point? This is how much point you have captured? 443. If I come here, and there is a measure too. Yeah, measure here. So this was your first SL, right? How much point? 45. Next SL. How much point? Sorry. How much point next SL? You have entered here. And what is the SL? 33 points. 45.33 points SL you are taking. This is also not much. 45 points, 33 points SL you are taking here, over here. Look at it. 40 points, 45, 100 points you have taken SL. Okay. How much point did you get? How much? Please tell me. 433 minus 100. That is 300 points you are above the target. Please do not enter in the candles like this. These are always manipulative candles. Never enter in candles like this. This is also another SL. Okay. This is also another SL. This is also another SL. I will consider this as an SL. 94 points. 200 points. You got 200 points in this only. Then you got this one. How much point? If you are telling, I have not taken this. I haven't taken this itself. I am just taking the 20 again. How much point? 99 points. You are 299, 300 points above. Okay. And then over here, you cannot see that it has broken down, but see, this is another strategy I will tell you later on. So there is one SL over here gone. Okay, then you have made this. How much? 400 points more. 600 points you are above the target, above your original points. Then I will come here. So you have taken an SL here. Okay, you have taken an SL over here. Sorry, my bad. You have taken an SL over here. How many points SL did you take? 73 points. Okay, immediately you entered in this trade. Immediately you entered in this. This is a bullish engulfing candle. This one, you see this black candle? This is a bullish engulfing candle. You keep your stop loss over here. You can keep here. You can keep here for safety measures. It's up to you. You have given your stop loss over here. Look how much it has given you. It takes time. So you have to hold it. See how much? 459 points again. Let's say you did not hold 459. You were trailing your SL. Okay. Please trail your SL after 1:2. You have given 1:2. Your target given more than 1:2. Then bring your SL. So your trade was cut here. 230 points still. How much did you lose here? 70 points. How much did you lose here? 70 points. How much did you make? 230. Done. Again I tell you. Again look over here. You have given an SL over here. You have given an SL over here. This was an SL. Okay. Sorry. This was an SL over here, right? 58 points. You saw it has break down from the below, right? You enter over here. You enter over here, your SL over here. Look how much point it has given. 1:5. 377 points. 50 points. I said due to something error you have lost rather than 50 points you have lost 70 points. Still you are 300 points above. Okay, you were not able to whatever I say, you were trailing your SL. So where is your SL? Where will be your SL? Here. 1:3. Still 1:3 trade. I can give you more examples. Another SL. I'll show you another year for SL gone. Okay, this strategy I will tell you, it will make you so much money your hands will shake. Another SL. So here is another SL. How much point? So what is going on? Why my tab is working like this? Another SL gone. Look, your stop loss will be, let's take your stop loss is here. Your stop loss is gone. 60 point stop loss gone. Okay. Then you see this black candle, bullish engulfing candle. You enter again. Long position. You enter here. Stop loss below the candle. Look how much points you are getting. You cannot capture till here. How much point you are getting? 342. Okay, you were trailing your SL. You were 20 EMA. You were trailing your SL, and it was came back to 20 EMA. How much points still you get? 174. 1:3 trade. More examples. I will show you. SL. I will not say you will not take SL. You will take SL. Another one. This one you have taken an SL. SL gone. 48 points SL gone. Okay. After that you saw another breakout candle. Now see SL below. You can keep below. If your 20 EMA is near you can keep below 20 EMA, or you can still keep below the candle. Look how much target it is. Imagine if you are holding this. How much? 1:10. But let's be realistic. No one can hold that much. You have hold till 20 EMA. How much? Tell me how much. Where did the 20 EMA broke? Here. How much? 192 points. How much did you lose here? 40 points. How much did you made here? 192 points. All this SMC, whatever. No need. I said, do not the fuck SMC, fuck whatever. Trade this strategy and you will make shit ton lot of money. I'll tell you. No trade over here. See, the thing about this trade is you have to have patience. 25 you have no trade. 26 you have no trade. 27 you have no trade. If you want more strategies, I will give you more strategies which work, which I like make money myself. So this is the strategy I had. I am making money. Not I had. I am making money. This is the same trade which I had captured. You can if you don't believe, you can check the shorts. You can check the shorts in my this one. This channel only. You will be able to see how much money I had made. See, there are no trades. There are no trades over here. Then you got one. Okay. You have gotten one. There is no like there is no fighting in the market like this. A simple breakout. How much money you have made? How much money you made? Please tell me how much money you made. You will make. Check. Just check. 1:12. How much points? 638 points. 638 points. You were trailing your SL with your 20 EMA, right? You were trailing your SL with 20 EMA. How much points did you make? 552 fucking points. You just have to have patience to take this strategy. You just have to have patience. Over here again. SL gone. I admit one SL gone. How much points SL gone? This one. Okay. SL 42 points SL done. Then you entered not short position, sorry, my bad, long position. You entered over here again. Okay, where will be your SL? Your SL will be below the candle. Whatever it weak body, you don't have. Wherever the candle started, ended, this one, the wick, always below the wick. What is your target? How much point did you make? You lose 40 points. How much did you make? How much? Tell me. Okay, you were trailing your SL. Your SL was gone here in this candle. Your SL gone here. How much point did you make? 242 points. 42 points SL for the previous candle. 200 points. Done? Done? Right? Do not enter in the candle like this. This is an SL. Okay, this white candle, you can see this white candle is an SL. You enter in the black candle again. How much point did you make? How much point did you make? SL below this candle, below this zone. Okay, you have taken, okay, this one also SL. Understood, SL. But try to keep below a range that is more what is called logical. 1:3, 4, whatever. No, you were stopped out over here because you were trailing your SL, right? 1:1.2. How much you made? 58 points. You lost that. This was a break-even trade for the below trade. Immediately after that, how much you made? This video is long, don't care. If I am giving you value, then please take the value. Another trade. You took your trade here. The market closed. Where did it open? It opened below. Till where did it go? Here. 600 fucking 56 points. 656 points. You say no, I don't have that much guts. I will keep my SL here. How much point? 350 points. You were trailing your SL with 20 EMA. How much did you get? 306 points. Okay, 306 points. Your SL, this is a SL trade where you were stopped out, right? Your SL will be, if your market is about to close, please bring your SL over here, this one. But still, this was your SL, I get. Then look at this trade. SL gone, entry, okay? SL gone, entry. Look at this trade. I'm telling you guys. Again, look over here. Market is fighting here. This one SL gone, no issue. This one SL gone, no issue. Let it go. If you see candle forming here, cut your trade itself. If your candle is coming back here and near you, cut it. Okay, so you were not able to cut here automatically, but then your market stopped out and you were not able to enter here because the candle which broke your SL came here. Okay, now how do I enter this trade? I want to enter this trade. How to enter? Take a long position. SL here? No, do not keep your SL here. Keep the SL below 20 EMA. Keep the SL below 20 EMA. Now check. I don't know how big of a fucking trade this is. I know nobody can hold it, but look at the trade. 1:22. How much point did you get? 1,222. If you have taken one lot also, you have made $1,000 from this trade. But no, I know you cannot hold that trade. Nobody can hold that trade. No new traders don't have that type of guts to hold a trade like this. So your trade cut out over here, 20 EMA. How much point did you make? 228. One lot you made $228. You see the power of this strategy? Even in this trade also, you were not like, how do I say? This was not an SL, this was a break-even because your SL was here. This was an SL. All these are SLs. This is also not SL. This is also a target. How do you look at this? Look at this. Entry here, SL here. You were trailing your SL. You were stopped out at 113 point. This is 1:1.5. Have you seen? But see, these have broken. But do not enter in candles like this. Do not enter in candles like this. Let the candle go. I know it is very tempting. Please let the candle go. Do not enter in this candle. Do not. I don't suggest. If you want to enter at your own risk, because candles like this are always for manipulation. So you might see another candle popping down immediately. So after that, another strategy, another SL gone. Here your SL gone. Okay, your SL immediately gone. Over here, so in this candle your SL was gone. We will immediately enter where? Here, SL above this candle, above the 200. Oof, what a safe SL you have right now. Look, just look at this trade. How many? How much? This is not an SL, okay? You have made how much money? Just check. But you were trailing your SL, so your SL was somewhere gone here. How much point did you make? 141. So please, these trades are crazy trades. How many trades did I show you? Let me go on. These are all 2, 3. You can capture. If you have captured this trade, imagine this type of trades you could have captured. Okay, you could have made money for the whole year. Another trade. This was SL. But this one is a big candle. Anyways, SL, then again another. How much money did you make? I will show you. If you are trailing, if you are not trailing, I will show you the potential. I will not show you the trailing one. I will show you directly the potential of these trades. Here, this trade, I don't know how much money you would have made. Here, 1:26, 1,300 something points. It has still not given you SL. See, this trade is still going on if you have kept holding. But I will be realistic, this is not possible. This trade, see, this trade is still going on. I have made so many trades in between this trade, but I know this is not possible, so I have kept it like this. How much? 1:128. Again, this trade, how much money did you make? How much money did you win? 1:12. How much money did you make? So this is like some trades which I have given. In between these trades, I have given you so many trades. Sick. So this is one strategy. Please apply. Have patience. You can go back testing for ages and ages. You will see the same. All these trades, it has broken down, given as SL, then again broken down, and look, your trailing SL hit. I'm telling you, this strategy is, I'm giving you the crack of the forex market. This is a crack of the forex market. Anyways, please subscribe. Okay, subscribe to my YouTube channel if you want more strategies. I have 2 more strategies which will make you crazy money, I will tell you. So subscribe to my channel if you want this strategy, and like and subscribe. If I get, I don't know, maybe 5,000 likes, give me 5,000 likes and I will make you I'll give you a trading strategy. Anyways, bye bye, I'm signing off. That's all.